Excuse me, is this the Donner Party?
James the Blade Reid, get in here!
Donator! You remember the wife, Martha?
Oh, Martha, well, as always, you are the paragon of taste.
Mr. Donner, no need to butter me up. But by the way, where are the hors d'oeuvres? I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
Please, please, please. California, here we come! Hey, try not to put your foot in your mouth tonight. Hey, who knows? Maybe I'll be putting my foot in your mouth. Mincemeat out here. I'll make a meal out of you. Come on.
George Donner, is that you?
Oh, Tamsin.
Why, you look absolutely delicious, sir. I could just eat you right up.
Well, hey, try not to bite off more than you can chew.
Ain't no party like a Donner Party, cause a Donner Party don't stop!
What?
Ain't no party like a Donner Party, cause a Donner Party don't stop! Donner Party! Woo! Yeah! Please, everybody. I'd like to recognize a great man. Let's give him the floor. The man who's gonna take this expedition all the way to the Golden State. Our very own bread and butter, Mr. George Donner.
Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we hit the trail. But tonight, we hit the sauce!
We're gonna be rich, rich, rich!
We gonna be rich, rich, rich! We gonna be rich, rich, rich!
But seriously, people, this is an historic journey we are about to embark upon. My main man, the ever unsavory James Reid, has come up with a shortcut that will save us weeks!
Weeks, I tell you, weeks. That is 4 extra wagons of food we don't even have to bring.
And hey, leave your winter coats at home, because instead of following the usual trail that cuts way up north...
I'd rather chew my right arm off than go through Idaho.
No, instead, we're going to cut right through the Great Salt Desert. Sunshine!
I'm gonna lay myself out and just bake to a nice golden brown.
I apologize in advance for Mr. Reid's sunbathing habits. His loins are an acquired taste.
And we're gonna be rich, rich, rich! We're gonna be rich, rich, rich!
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sure we could sit here and chew the fat all night. We should talk about this shortcut. Like, has it even been tested for wagon passage?
Hey, I'm Tamsin. I'm gonna bite the hand that feeds.
Look at her stewing her own juices. No, people, please. Let's not start nipping at each other. After all, I have thick, tough skin. Now, Tamsin, I hear your concern, but just know that I am supremely, nay, overly confident that this shortcut is what the Donner Party will be remembered for. But, the important thing is that we all stick together, okay? Because otherwise we'll devour ourselves. Now, who's with me?
Donner sandwich!
Oh no!
California! Yes, Mr. Donner, I will savor you for the rest of my day.
I am literally gonna stuff you with cabbage, stick an apple with your mouth, and rush you open an open fire and eat you!
We're gonna be rich, rich, rich! We're gonna be rich, rich, rich!
I just want to say, I love the fact that 30% of the audience was like, too soon. A few years ago, we did a sketch where we had a list of hot sauce flavors, different hot sauce flavors, and they were really funny, and one of them was Triangle Shirtwaist Company, and see? It's like, apparently the moratorium for jokes, like, nope, 100 years, it's not enough fucking time. No cannibalism jokes. It's beautiful. Like, people in the audience, like, absolutely concerned. Like, is it all right that we're laughing about that? It's totally fucking fine. After this year, just everybody calm down, all right?